All patients should have access to accurate testing, regardless of ethnicity. But most CFTR assays do not provide sufficient coverage for diverse patient populations. Most available CFTR tests are at least 5 years old and were designed based on outdated variant databases that are overwhelmingly Caucasian, thus leading to insufficient testing coverage for other ethnicities. Adding to this problem, other CFTR assays may have more complicated testing workflows and analyses. At Assurigen, we sought to solve this important issue by developing our AmplideX PCR CFTR Kit, which is designed to provide the broadest coverage of the diverse U.S. population of any available targeted assay. Our CFTR assay was designed based on recent, large-scale population studies that capture the true diversity of the United States. Our streamlined workflow goes from DNA to data in under 5 hours, with less than 1 hour of hands-on time. This workflow is similar to other AmplideX products and runs on widely available CE instruments, easing implementation and adoption. The assay includes AmplideX PCR CE Reporter software, which provides variant calling, automated genotyping, and QC checks, solving the challenges of CFTR analysis at the push of a button. The AmplideX PCR CFTR Kit reduces complexity with an optimized, easy-to-run workflow, while providing quality CFTR results for a diverse population, ensuring better answers for both labs and patients. Learn more at assurigen.com/CFTR.